Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add free shipping in Woocommerce. So when you're here, you just want to click on settings and then just like click here on shipping, and here you want to like click add shipping zone, and now you're gonna see like zone name, and let's go, I don't know, free zone regions. Again, these are the inside the zone, customer will be matched against these regions. Like you can like go, I don't know, whatever. United States. And shipping methods, you just add a shipping method and you just like add free shipping, right? Nice. And this is how you do it. And if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. And now free shipping requires a valid free shipping coupon, a minimum order a month, and then we can like go like with 50 or minimum order month or a coupon and a coupon. You can then just click save changes, and this is how you can add a free shipping in WooCommerce. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.